educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
Hello friends, this is Aditya and you're watching Electric Vehicles India. Friends, currently I'm at High-Tech Exhibition Center here in Hyderabad, and a small expo has been going on in this High-Tech Exhibition Center. So currently I'm at a Svitch stall. So here we have an executive from Svitch. Hi sir, your name please?
Aditya.
So from where this brand is based out of, and when you launched this electric bicycles?
So basically this brand is originated from Ahmedabad. We have our headquarters as well as our manufacturing unit in Ahmedabad.
Okay.
And we have started, giving dealerships and B2C sales in 2018 now.
Okay.
We have almost like 125 dealers working with Svitch.
Okay.
And maybe 4,000 plus customers.
Okay.
So which are, completely happy.
Okay.
Till now.
Okay, so these electric bicycles look different from our conventional cycle.
Right.
So what are the highlights of this, sir?
So basically I'll tell you about the USPs of the bicycle. First of all, these are hybrid vehicles wherein you can use it like a regular cycle.
Yeah.
Plus you can use it like a mopeds. If you want to throttle, you can just throttle. If you use it for health purposes, you can use it very conveniently.
Okay. And how many models are available in this Switch, and what's the difference between those?
Okay, so we have 4 different variants into electric versions.
Okay.
So basically starting from 40 kilometers of the range goes up to 120 kilometers of the range.
Okay.
Now there are, if I will name it, that is MXC, Light XC, XC and XC Plus.
Okay.
So basically MXC is our base variant, which is very conveniently used by the kids.
Okay.
From the age group of 8 to 15.
Okay.
And any other models, if your height is about 4.5 or 5 feet, any other model, all the 3 models are convenient for you.
Okay.
So basically now we're talking about the like AH and everything. All are equipped with 250 watt BLDC motors.
Okay.
But the battery AH is different.
Okay.
Starting from 8.7 AH goes up to almost 14.5 AH. So that is our top end variant XC Plus.
Okay, and the minimum range is 40 kilometers and the maximum is 120 kilometers.
Exact.
Okay, so are these cycles foldable?
It's completely foldable. It's 360-degree foldable. You can fold the chassis as well as the handlebar.
Okay.
And you can put it inside a car or something, car boot, more than 250 liters of boot space.
Okay.
And you can carry it wherever you want.
Okay, so if you don't mind, can you please demonstrate how to?
Sure, why not?
Okay. I think the build quality is also top notch.
It's aluminium 6061. It is completely rust proof for life. Any sort of a terrain, any sort of a rains,
Okay.
sunlight, it cannot be rusted for life. That's a guarantee.
Okay.
So that's a latch what you have to open at the first.
Okay.
Just for an instance, this is the latch.
Okay.
That's the handle what you have to look at. One hand here,
Okay.
and there you go.
Right? And where will be the battery placed?
Battery will place inside the chassis itself.
Is that removed?
Plus there is the controller, and
Okay.
that's the motor at the behind.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Is this battery removable or it's a?
Yeah, it's a completely swappable batteries. I'll show you that also. You can charge it in both the ways.
Okay.
If the battery is inside the chassis, then also you can charge. If the battery, if you want to swap and you want to take it somewhere at your residence or office, you can do that very conveniently.
Okay. How much time does it take to get full charge?
That takes almost 2.5 to 3 hours on an average. Top end variant takes 3 hours, and all the basic models take 2.5.
Okay. Okay. So basically, this will be the foldable version.
Yes. So all the models from Switch are completely folded.
Okay.
Switch is only renowned for its design
Okay.
and plus the foldability.
Okay.
Now, I guess we'll talk about the pricing. Instead of you asking me, I'll tell you what the pricing is.
Okay.
Starting from 60,000 to 1,19,000.
Okay. That means the kids model is available for 16.
Exactly.
Okay.
So starting from 60,000 to 1,90,000, that's the price range what we cater for the B2C clients.
Okay.
The second is, now again you will be thinking, why is it so much expensive?
Yeah.
I'll tell you 3 USPs. First, you're already seeing it right now, which is the foldability.
Yeah.
Second is aluminum chassis, what you're looking at.
Okay.
And with this design and 120 kilometers of the range, there is no other bicycle company which manufactures same models. So,
Okay.
I hope you are, satisfied with the answer.
Okay. So these are the reasons your cycles are expensive than other competitors, right?
Yes, there are many others, but definitely you can inquire about that and we can give you a call on that.
Okay. So how many years of warranty you are claiming on this?
So we have 1 year of warranty, replacement warranty.
Okay.
For entire electrical parts. All the electrical parts are covered under warranty. If there is any issue, we'll be replacing it rather than repairing it.
Okay. What about the battery?
Batteries are also equipped with 1 year of warranty. If any manufacturing defect comes which is very rare case scenario.
Okay.
We'll be replacing the entire battery pack.
Okay, so where we can buy these Switch electric bikes?
Oh, as I told you, we have almost like 125 dealers across India. But if you are from Hyderabad, you can come down to Begumpet or Madhapur. Both the showrooms are up and working.
Okay. Can you remove the battery once and show us?
Sure.
We did that. Very quick is it? Yes, they did.
Okay. So it's a removable battery pack.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, be done. So how to charge this by removing?
So that's the charging point.
Okay.
We'll be providing an adapter with that. You
Okay.
can just place the charger at a 5 amperes charger point.
Okay.
And you can charge it very conveniently.
Okay.
Right?
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much.
So friends, these are all the details about this Switch foldable electric bikes. So if you found the video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe Electric Vehicles India. If you have any further doubts, please let me know in the comment section. That's it for today's video. See you in another interesting video. Until then, go green, go electric.